YouTube, what's up, y'all? So today I'll be showing y'all how to have your home page looking like mine's or something similar to mine's. However you want to customize it, whichever way you want to go about it, you can make it to your preference. But I'm gonna show you how to do the easy steps, like how to get the pictures in each widget and the clock and all that. So to start it off, first you would need iOS 14. That's the main thing. Without iOS 14, you won't be able to do none of this. So make sure that you got iOS 14. Know everything is cool. Once you know you got iOS 14, the next step you want to do is download Widget Smith. So you want to go to your app store, type in Widget Smith, click on it, download this. This is the app that you need. Once you download Widget Smith, download Widget Color. That's another app you need. And for all of the pictures, you get your pictures off Google, but if you got pictures in your phone, you could already use that. But if you need pictures and like you want nice ones, I use this app called Dope. So once you got all that stuff on, the next step you want to do is you want to go into either Google or if you Dope, right? And you want to find a picture. So for instance, let's say you want to put all your purple apps together. You would get a purple picture like this, but you could choose any app. Any picture you want. But you would choose a picture like this. You would download it. It's gonna say watch a short video.
This is
Let the short video play out.
The land of $1 million opportunity. A place.
And once that short video play out, it's gonna save to your phone. Now, once it's saved to your phone, you want to go to your photos. You want to hit albums. You want to hit the top left where it say the plus button. You want to hit that, hit new album, and me, I'll do color coordinate so you can remember which one is which. And you can just type in purple pick. And then once you do that, you want to save the picture that you want as your choice. So now, when we're there, you want to load up the app called Widget Smith. When you go into Widget Smith, it's going to have a whole bunch. It's only going to have two up there, number 1 and number 2. And they got the small ones, or you could do medium, or you could do large. But for the pictures this size right here, as my screensaver, as my home page, those are the small ones. So you want to use the small ones. So you could click on, for instance, save this is number 1 right here. Once you click to it, you want to click the middle where it say default widget. You're gonna start off from all the way up here. You want to go all the way down, and then hit photo and album, and then click selected album, and then it'll show all your albums. And then you click on the purple pick, the one that you named in the album. Once you do that, you click the top left where it say where it lets you go back at, and then you hit save. Now once that is done, you can now hold down on your screen, and you so with the new iOS 14, you hold down on your screen and it start to wiggle like this. And on the top left, you see the little plus sign. You press that little plus sign, and you want to go all the way down till you see Widget Smith. You click on Widget Smith, and you could choose your small, your medium, or your large. You want to choose the small one because that's the one that I want to use. And then once you got it up here, you could click on it, and then click on the widget, and then choose whichever one that you have in that category. So for instance, like all of these are different pictures that I have, and you could keep adding them on as you go. So that's how you get that little purple picture or whatever picture you want up there. That's how you do that. Next, to get the clock like how I got mine, you want to go to color widgets. And for color widgets, all these got there's really nothing unique about them. You could choose any one you want because you could edit it. So I choose the first one, and then you want to hit edit widget. Once you do that, you want to choose, you could choose a light background color or dark, that don't matter. You want to choose your font, that matters, the font, any font you want, and then hit background image, is at the bottom left. Once you hit background image, you once again go to that Dope app, choose a picture out of that Dope app, and choose any background image you want. For instance, I want this Nike one, something like that, you know what I'm saying? Change the font, set widget. Now once you set the widget, now you have to go do the little wiggle thing again, hit the top left plus button, look for widget color or what color widgets, and then add widget. Once it's there, it's there. And then from right there and there, you can start playing around with it and everything. You know what I'm saying? Do what you want to do. You customize it how you want. This is like, this part took me about an hour and 30 minutes because I didn't know how to do it at first. But once you figure it out, it's going to be smooth. You're going to better know how to do it. And you could just go crazy with it. So this is something that I got right here. Alright, y'all. So for the end of the video, I just want to say thank you for all the support. Like and subscribe. There will be new content coming in the future. So make sure you tune in for that.